When you stay in the House of the Retro Future Suite at Hojo Anaheim, you're staying in more than just a room. You're becoming part of an amazing story of architecture, culture, and historical preservation. In fact, the original Howard Johnson Anaheim Motor Lodge was built by an architectural genius of the mid-century, William L. Pereira. What's the big deal about William L. Pereira, you ask? Not only was he responsible for designing the first Howard Johnson here on the west coast of the United States, he was also a key figure in shaping the iconic modernist movement of the mid-1950s and 60s. Pereira's signature design elements can also be seen all over the property here at Hojo Anaheim, from the unique barrel-arched roof lines to the mid-century futuristic design elements found throughout our lobby building. Hojo Anaheim is truly one of the most iconic mid-century hotels around. Hojo Anaheim is so proud to be a part of this unique time in American history that we've designed an entire suite honoring this mid-century era. Building off the work of Pereira's signature modernist elements and inspired by the Monsanto House of the Future, which was featured at Disneyland for a period in the 1960s, the House of the Retro Future Suite pays homage to this amazing time in American history. From the mid-century modern furniture and retro-futuristic decorative pieces to its in-room record player and era-appropriate music collection, this suite is sure to transport you back to the futuristic past, all while providing the modern amenities you've come to expect from a world-class hotel like Hojo Anaheim.